I can paste this in here and tweet. Okay, let's get back here. I think I need to log into this Restream. I am Restream. How do I maximize this? Stream Studio Connect OBS. I think I need to change the title. Android benchmark Compose app. Links, I think I should add create Compose app. Update all. Should be fine now. Yes. Yes. What happened in dashboard screen? I think we don't need this change. Looks good. What did we actually do here? We bumped to which version? Say bump bits. Push this. Oopsie, not Charles. We need to go to Android benchmark. Oopsie. We need macro benchmark. To add this, we need to add a new benchmark module first. New module benchmark. What was the package name of this? Compose template. Yeah, cool. New module. Benchmark module. Macro benchmark. This is our package name will be benchmarker. Benchmark, is that even a word? I hope so. Need to produce the background music sound. Volume control over here. Yeah. Kotlin 7 finish. Example startup benchmark. Yeah, let's add that. Let it build. now we should have benchmark ready, right? How's the project structure look like now? It looks like this. There is a benchmark module that has a release. We'll come back to this. Debuggable true signing config debug. This benchmark built up is benchmarking and should function like your release build, for example, unification on. Okay, we need to have. We'll come back to this. Let's bump this to 120 beta. And we probably have some change over here. No, not here. We should have some change over here. So build benchmark, release, debuggable false. What is matching fallbacks? Set up the application to benchmark an app code. The target of the macro benchmark, the app must be profilable, which enables reading detailed trace information without affecting performance. The module user adds a profilable tag automatically to the app manifest. Cool. Our app manifest should have that right now. Yes, profilable is there. Configure the benchmarked app as close to the release version of production as possible. Set it up as non-configurable, non-debuggable, and preferably unification on, which improves performance. You typically do this by creating a copy of the release variant, which performs the same, but it is signed locally with debug keys. Alternatively, you can use init with it to instruct Gradle to do it for you. Init with. Do we have this create block anywhere? No. Should we add this? Not sure. I think this is that create block part. Why is it like this in Groovy? Shouldn't be like that. Build.gal.kts. What's going on here? Let me try this first. Let me try run this first. Where is the example startup benchmark? Let's go run this, see what happens. Okay, dependency to request libraries and application that depends on 34 later of the. Okay, let's search for 33, and I think I can replace all 33s with 34. Sorry, 34, and that should fix that issue maybe. Okay, it looks like it failed again. Error not suppressed. It's an emulator. You're right, it's an emulator. Do I need a real device to? Okay, I will disable. I think I shouldn't disable this. I need a device. I need a device. Let's use a device then. Let me put this in flight mode maybe. No. have a device now. We have a device. Let's close the emulator and okay, go. Here is my benchmark variant. Okay, starting the test on Pixel 4 11. Should run by now. I don't know, it's taking too much time. Pixel 4 and should be ready by now. Something is wrong somewhere. I think this device doesn't work. Let me get I need to get another device. Okay. For the meantime, we'll use a emulator and we'll do the final run on an actual device. That should work. Show me the warning, show me the warning. Yes, there you go. Now test instrumentation, default config. I think I should add this. Default config we have in a benchmark modules. Okay, benchmark modules build to Gradle config. I think I should add this line. Signal. Okay, now let's run this. Unable to read any metrics during benchmark. Startup benchmark. Check that you are performing the operation to be measured. For example, if you are using startup memory, if you are starting an activity on a specific package and the time. Okay, let me check that. Let me check that. Compose Android template is the package name. That's right. Confirming.
Ich bräuchte noch ein paar Angaben für die Statistik. Alles
It should be in the manifest file. Application ID is that. And namespace is the same. I think it should work. It's strong.
Rede ich kein Deutsch, ein Wort, also.
Pink, dann.
If using startup time, are you sure? Are you starting an activity for the specific package in the measure block? Yeah, this is the measure block, I guess. That should be the measure block, yes. Startup timing metric is there. Should we add this to setup block? it works now. No. Check that performing operation to be measured. For example, if using start metric, I use starting activity was specified in the measure block. It should be in the measure block. Why it doesn't work? Maybe let's try to reduce the count to 3. Something is wrong. Example startup benchmark. Let's go see the samples. Macro benchmark Android sample. We should go to GitHub sample, performance sample. Let's go macro benchmark sample and macro benchmark. Startup benchmark. Sample startup benchmark. So press home inside a block and then yes, let's try that. Measure block, setup block, press the home, and how about this? Unable to read any metrics during benchmark. Same error. Check that your performing operations to be measured by example if user. I am doing the same thing. Let's compare the sample with the actual code. So we have a large test which runs on Android Giant 4. We have the macro benchmark code. We are calling the measure repeated. Target package name is this one, and the metric we are running is start timing metric. Iterations is 3. Startup mode we don't have defined here. Let's try run the benchmark without that. What's happening? Same error. Now we should try do one thing. We should try let's keep it like this. Let's keep the template version. And the template version was example startup benchmark. Okay. Okay, now let's go in here. Yes, 110 beta of 5. Let's try with that version. Right. What is this not saying? Uses or overrides deprecated API. Right. No. What am I missing? Let's head over to the documentation and see their test benchmark. We are running the benchmark variant, I guess. Now we don't have to change to let's change the benchmark here. Open the variants, open select benchmark variant of both the app and macro module. This ensure running benchmark plan. Build and test the correct variant of your app. Okay, is that what I'm missing? I think it's not the test running just fine, but why is this like this? We can fix the issue. Could not resolve project share. No. Okay, don't have that issue. Set up product flavors. I don't have a product flavor. Missing dimensions. So config modules tells the build system to call by flavor dimension. I don't have a flavor dimension. Define product flavors. No flavor. Create a macro benchmark class. Let's copy this. And where is our example startup benchmark? We'll delete this first. Let's paste this class. And that should show some errors. My target package, the package name is this one. That's my target package. Default iteration, let's say 5. Generate 4, let's go import this. Let's look at the import. Okay, we don't have any import statements over here, but we have a sample startup benchmark. It's ext JUnit Android Gen 4 runner, blah 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 blah. This is fine. This is just fine. Okay. Yeah, let's try run this. Let's try run that. I think it might be the device maybe. I think I should try with a different actual device, like a working device. I think I should have some old device here which I can run some test. It failed again. Now let's go search in Google. Oopsie. We need. Yeah, let's check that you are in that part should be the unique part in stack trace. Unable to read many metrics during benchmark. Yes, that's the issue. We are currently trying to resolve it in this issue. Okay. What is this issue? Unable to read any metrics during benchmark. 110 beta or 3. Which version we are in? Macro in KTS. I think we are in 110 beta of 5. Okay, this introduced in beta of 3. and fixed in which version? It was a P1, and what was the issue? I get the same. Can someone eating this reset as a perfect trace file? Collection contains no elements and predicate. It should be fixed in the latest version. Pixel 6 API that is the same happening during startup benchmarking. I'm not sure. It's an old issue. It happened. Verify test fixes with forest trends and notable installations are above issue should be fixed with yes. Okay. Show macro underscore macro benchmark scope. So basically we don't have, yes I do, but it's not working. We have done some stability improvements pre-check with latest version RC01. The problem is the problem is still there in 110. The device lower. Let's check the latest version maybe. The latest command is unfortunately correct. As you mentioned, you can use debug builds, but these are not recommended for performance measuring. And you should be you should be able to measure release build on router device. What was that? When relying on debug builds for benchmark, you won't be able to see real world performance for your app. From if release build of the app is used on the device lower than API level 29, if release build of the app is used. Some mandatory traces like that missing from capture to not traceable. Starting API 29, there is a new manifest flag which allows to collect. I think one thing we can do is to bump every dependencies to the latest version and try again with a different device. Okay, let's update the target SDK. Let's bump this to 120, which is the, let me check the latest version of macro benchmark first. Macro benchmark is 120 beta on, and we're using the same one. And let me verify one more thing. We are using latest dependencies in here also. Compose navigation 207 beta 02. Let it build. Okay, Integral version has snap update available. Start the EGP update. Let's update that to 801. Accept the new RA precedence. Run selected steps. Yes. So currently we are upgrading, bumping all old dips to latest. Okay. I think this will take some time. Meantime, we can go through the documentation. And this benchmark can run this like this. Should be able to get proper result. Scroll benchmark. Trace section metric. Whoa. Click trace. Frame time metric. Start time metric. Okay. Interesting. First start. If it's a first start, we scroll view activity. We launch scroll view activity. Test case dot fail. What is test case class? What is this test case class getting? Okay. Let it build. I think it's finished. Yes. Let me run the app first. Waiting for Gradle build. Finish. Waiting for Gradle to finish. Finger crossed. Why is this not building? It's a small app, it should build in a couple of seconds. Let's clean and try build it again. Oh, I think we were trying to build a benchmark build. I think that's why it took some time. But let's try to run this with a debug build to see if the new dependencies are working or not. Yep. Minhun Go 25 asks your eyesight what? It's ready. Okay, app is running fine. So I'm going to commit this add benchmark module. That will be a new feature. Then I need to work on the sample start benchmark to get this thing. Okay, before going into this, I would like to go to my app module and confirm the package name one more time. I have a default. There you go. I have an activity that has main launcher. Okay. And do we have a default category? No, right? Should we make this as a default also? I should learn Android login first. Performance sample. This is our actual app, and where is this manifest with the main activity? It has a default category. Is that why my app was not? Okay, let me add this here. We have default, then a launcher, then there's a main. Okay, looks good for now. And let me try run this one more time. Let's change this to benchmark, and let's run a benchmark variant first. Okay, app is working just fine. Now What's your eyesight as a person who uses a computer a lot? I haven't measured. Oh my god. I haven't measured. I have some anti-glare specs I use, but I don't have any eyesight issues so far, so I haven't measured. Okay, now let's try run the benchmark. Sample startup benchmark. I may need to switch the device if it shows the same error again. I will try to do that. Oops, it's downloading something. I may get an error saying that this test may not, yeah. But I think I should test this actual device. But for some reason the actual device doesn't work. It may be because I have an old app installed maybe. Let me try and run this. It should run on Pixel 4a. Okay, now let's try it. Let's close the emulator. We are running benchmark on this device for your information. You see, this benchmark is trying to start the test here, but nothing is happening over here. Nothing. Let me get my mom's device and see if it's working. My mom's device. Let us try running the benchmark on this one. Okay. File transfer, and this should be, yes, I think that's the device. Yeah, Xiaomi. Then let's run this. Okay, there is install. Now the current task is to fix benchmark module. Adding benchmark module to Android template. Should update the title. Yes. Cattle build failed. What happened? What just happened? What just happened? Let's try one more time. Let's it's running. Okay, it's asking remember my choice, install. Oopsie doopsie. Failed to grant permission. See logcat for details. Failed to grant permission? What else do I need? Xiaomi. That's my app name. Level, let's look at error. Write external cannot be granted. Write external storage cannot be granted. Cannot be granted. Why is this happening? What's our 34? Let's try do one thing. We'll manually go to the settings of the benchmarker app and see if it works. And see, we can manually give the permission and see if that works. Compose Android template app info. I think this is the what? This is the actual template app. We need the benchmarker app. Benchmarker should be here somewhere. Can't see that. Can't see the app, but it should be somewhere here. Let's go to settings. Let's search for benchmarker. Couldn't find the result. Oopsie. Maybe I should go to the apps list and manage apps and try the benchmarker. There we go. App permission, files and media, allow access to media only. I think the library needs external storage permission, and for some reason Xiaomi is not giving it. I mean, every permission, most of the permissions are manually in Xiaomi. Probably that's why. Cool. Now, is there anything else we need to do? No. Blur app reviews, install app from the source. I think this is fine. Let's try one more time. It's building. Asking permission, remember my choice, install. Okay, the app runs now. That's a good thing. Alright, looks okay. Oh wow, it works. So we can commit this now saying fix benchmark module. Okay. Now we have some benchmark result over here. Where is that? Run time to initial display MS is there. Cool. Now we have the benchmark module setup done. We can push this, but we need to do one more thing. We have this. Okay, benchmarker is ready, module is ready, sample startup benchmark is here. Cool. Now let's did we push this? No, we haven't. Now we pushed it. We can close the project. We need to go to this create compose app. I don't have that in here, so we have to call GitHub init create compose app. And it's pulling the project from GitHub. GitHub Create Compose app. Now we are current task is what? Fix the benchmark module. Integrate benchmark module with create compose app CCA app. Yep. Okay, what's the pull status? 36%. 36. Okay, we have the repo. So let's open IntelliJ. And okay, we need to open the create compose app. Yep. I think we can try create a sample app with this and see what are the issues first. Yeah, so I'm going to desktop mkdir android benchmark test. Okay, let's go to android benchmark test, set debug directory. That's my current debug directory. Now let me try create a compose app. I'm going to call this my awesome app. Sorry, I need to choose a platform because it is one, which is Android. Project name is my awesome app. form.my.awesome app. Cool. Okay, we can go to my awesome app now and try as studio. Studio is not available. We need to do one thing. We need to open this desktop benchmark test awesome app test project. This template should have that benchmark module installed. It's loading. Okay, benchmark module is there. Okay, benchmark module is here. Let's try to run this. Oh, we have the package name replaced, but there is an issue here. We this package name got replaced, but this folder directory name didn't change, right? Did we change it here? It changed here, but it didn't change here. That's issue number 1 that we can fix. Yes, we'll fix that right away. Okay, first of all, we need to load this project. Secondly, we need to check how we changed the that directory structure. But Cubius, thanks for the follow. How's your Sunday going? Or how was your weekend? Or how's your weekend going? Download JDK 15. Should I do that? Or should I use the JetBrains runtime version? Let's try to use that. Go away. It's not going. I think I should sync, maybe. Synchronize the project. I think I should be upgrading. My current task is fixing integrating new Android template with create CC app. Let's call this CC app. Create a compose app. Okay, so we have this configuration being done, but meanwhile we can go through the code and see how did we change this path. Okay, Android Studio, let's put it over here. How did we change this path? I hope it should be a utility method so that I can call this on the benchmark directory as well. Create Android app. There you go. But I can't navigate. The index it's being indexed, so I think I need to manually. Okay, Corvette is there. We are replacing these things with these things, and I think this is being handled in the library side. We are just giving a map of replacement here. And I don't see a directory change being asked anywhere. Gen version code. Oh, wow. Oh, there we go. Source package path. I think it is probably replacing the source package path with the project name we are giving. Where is the project name? Corvette is the okay. Oh, it's getting the project name from the CLI input. Fine. Yeah, we can. Why is this warning still here? I want to go with JBR 17. Or should I go with JBR 15? 15010. 1.8? No. Oh, it went. It disappeared. Choosing, but I don't know what's going to happen now. But Adobe 15 is being indexed. Let's go to Corvette and what's the source package path, right? So that's source package path. Okay, fine. My app source base app, it's Android. Yeah, target project directory. Okay, target source path. Yeah, there we go. We are creating directories. I think we should move this. Yeah. Target source path is base source for package name dot replace. Preparing source and test files. Yes, this is where we are doing that. And we can go a bit lazy over here. We can yeah, we can go to our template. Or is it small like a cheating? Don't want to cheat, but I'm lazy. Okay, now moving benchmark directory for Android. So if is Android, we have to do this again. For now, we'll copy paste. Okay. I think, yeah. I think for now I'll copy paste this, and we will refactor this later. If it's Android, if it's definitely Android. We already checked this, right? My source path will be benchmark. Rather than app module, we'll go with benchmark. What happened here? What happened over here? Okay, we are removing this, and rather than app, the name will be benchmark. Base source, I think, remains the same, isn't it? Module. Oh, wait. Main module is there. That's the source. Hold on a second. This is not good. This is not good for some reason. But there is a debug flag. I think I should test with the debug. Yeah. Now debug, I think we have something called super project over here. Yeah. Yes. I think I should do this that way. I think I should close this, and I should go to pane. The is debug flag will be true because we are debugging stuff, and if it's debug, I'm going to go with Android for now and create an Android app. Let's try to run this and see what happens. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Downloading template is happening. Okay. Temp super source project. What is exception directory? Not empty exception. Alright, I think I should delete whatever we have in here. Yeah. Maybe I should delete the temp directory and it will automatically create it. It should. Okay. Directory not empty. Super project. Compose Android template. I think this is supposed to happen now, right? Oh, this is happening because I have this yeah, it's my mistake. Okay, let's delete the temp directory one more time and run this again. Okay, finished. We have the super project now. Cool. The issue is it didn't change this package name structure, so that we need to fix. Now things will be faster because we are in a debug mode. We don't have to run and test it again. Okay, now the target project directory will be extract directory / project name. That's correct. Then we have source package and my app source path exist. If it exists, okay. If it's Android, it's definitely Android. We have to remove this from here. What's the project structure looks like again? We have a benchmark, then we have base source, and we have yeah, it's the same. It's the same as app module. Now target source path. We have a target source path. We have created my app search path. Why there is a warning for this one? Name shadowed. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Name shadowed. My app search path. My app source path. It should be my benchmark source path. My benchmark source path. I hope it didn't change this. Yeah, it didn't. Absolutely. Yeah. It's good. Benchmark is here. Package names are here. We'll try to run this one more time. See what happens. Finished. Now what's the benchmark? What's the house? Okay, let me delete this temp directory. I don't want to deal with any old values. Okay, now we have the temp directory here. The directory structure should, yeah, it works. I would like to test this by, yeah, let me do one thing. We need a command line option for Studio. How do I generate that? We had one option to create a CLI, like, you know, if I type Studio in Studio.bot and should open Studio with the current directory. I think we should search in command line launcher. Yeah, see. That's one thing I hate about IntelliJ. Create command line launcher, tools, Studio. There you go. Now, okay. Oopsie. I think I should move my keyboard here and type the password. That's easier, I guess. Yeah. Now we should have Studio. With Studio, it's user lookup in Studio. Fine. Now, we have everything we needed here. We need to test this out. So to test this, we need to go to create compose app. We need to go to the temp directory, and we should have something called super project there, and we'll call Studio. We'll close this first. Go away, stupid. Studio dot, and that should launch Studio with the auto generated project, and it shouldn't have any syntax issues or any warnings. That's the idea. Okay. I think it looks good. we'll check the benchmark directory and sample startup benchmark. Doesn't look like it has an issue. We will try run the benchmark. This benchmark may fail because of the Xiaomi's permission issue, but we're not going to fix that for now. We know how to fix it. We are not going to do that. This is just a test. So I'm expecting a crash saying see Logcat for more information kind of thing. But there's a delay of 10 seconds at least, I guess. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, it works. This is Xiaomi. I don't want to fix that. So this works, but I need to do one more thing. I need to refactor this piece of code. Moving benchmark directory, yes. My benchmark source path, yes. Target source path benchmark. I think this is fine. I don't have anything to refactor over here. This looks good. Benchmark source path is benchmark source path existent. Is try to move it from the source package to usual stuff. So we need to do one thing. Now we need to bump our yes, we need to bump this project version. This is 2023 January, February, March, April, May, June, July. This is 7 and today is 23rd. Okay. Kotlin version, we don't have to upgrade that for now. Covet version, I think. Let's bump this also. Let's bump that. Let's bump this. Let's bump that. Let's bump this. Okay. Now let's oh, we didn't disable the debug mode. False. And what? Let's try to run this one more time and see if there are no issues so far. Now, how do I exit from this? Stop button. Yeah. Commit should be add benchmark module to Android template. That's a feature. We'll push this. We will also do one more thing. We will build the artifact. I think I should go to these artifact directory and see if there is nothing breaks. Things looks good. Now we will build the artifact or build the updated jar file, and our package.json should be pointing to the same directory. Is this the package.json file? Yes. Out artifact compose jar, fine. We need to update the version here also. Yeah. Yes. And it's 2023-07-23. Yes. Now Java version 11 blah 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 blah. I think say commit update package.json. That's a normal update. Open dictionary. I need to check one thing. When I say update, it should add this. Do we have Okay, there are keywords updated, removed, added. These are keywords. I need to have a direct hit. I think that won't happen unless you have. Yeah. Fine. It's okay. Now it's taking time to build the jar. Why it's take? Get progressed. Get progressed. Are you asking me to get progressed or? Oh my god. Delete, cancel. I will try again. Close project. Open project. Okay. Build artifact, rebuild. Get initiated, get progress. JPS plugin 1610. I think it will take some time. Time it's going to take. Okay, it's moving. Okay, it's been 1 hour 20 minutes. I'm going to stop the stream now and we'll stream sometime like that with something else.